Hello, sir. Good day. I'm Jeffrey De Leon from the S3ADA class. So on this video is we are going to predict the stock index price uh, of a fictitious economy by using the two independent variables, which is the interest rate and the unemployment rate. So for our first program is we are going to declare our data sets. So by declaring our data sets, we are going to install our library, which is the pandas data frame. So dito is naka-declare po yung ating data sets. The year, month, interest rate, unemployment rate, stock index price. So dito naman po sa baba is yung column. So to check that is i-run po natin siya. So ito po yung output. Makikita po natin yung columns and rows from year to stock index price. So next codes is by checking the linear relationship of our independent variables. So the first linear relationship na i-check natin is yung between sa stock index price and in our interest rate. So by checking their linearity, we are going to install the matplotlib library but using scatter diagrams. So this is the linearity relationship of our stock index price and the interest rate. So to check that, i-run natin siya. So dito is makikita natin nag-exist yung So dito is makikita natin yung linear relationship between stock index price and interest rate. So as you can see is positive yung slope ng ating dependent and independent variable. So dito, specifically when the interest rate goes up, the stock index price also goes up. Next codes is for the linearity relationship of our stock index price and for our unemployment rate. So, i-check din natin yung linearity relationship niya. I-run natin. So, dito is nag-exist din po yung linear relationship ng ating stock index price and also the unemployment rate. But, as you can see, yung slope nila is pabaliktad. So, pababa po siya, which is negative. So, we can say that the unemployment rate, kapag si unemployment rate is pataas, si stock index price po is pababa. Next po natin is si codes for the getting the stock, the predicted value of our stock index price in our two independent variables. So dito is gamit tayo ng multiple regression and we are going to use sklearn and stat methods. So yung first part po na gagawin ni sklearn is to display the intercept and the coefficient. And the second part is to predict the stock index price. And also by using the stock models, which is used to have additional insights for checking our intercept and coefficient if it is true. So, i-run po natin siya. Just wait a second. So, ito po yung output na display ng ating scalar and stat models. So, meron yung ating interest rate and unemployment rate, intercept and coefficient. And lastly is yung kabuuan po ng codes, which is we are going to use TK interface to display the index of our output. So dito is gumamit dito tayo ng GUI for the users to enable him or her to input a value for the interest rate and the unemployment rate. So ito na po yung kabuuang codes na pinagsama-sama po natin siya. So dito is mag-display po yung linear relationship and also this predicted stock price, stock index price by inputting the unemployment rate and interest rate. So automatic na po siyang compute. So let's try to run. So dito is makikita natin yung main index ng ating program. So dito is pwede tayong mag-input ng ating specific interest rate and unemployment rate for us to get the predicted stock index price. So dito lang po sa baba is yung linearity relationship na ating two independent variables. So this is the unemployment rate and interest rate. So let's have an example by inputting data from our interest rate. For example, is 2.75. Then sa type employment rate is 3. Then click natin itong predict stock index price for us to get the predicted value. So dito makikita natin yung intercept ng dalawang input natin na data and also their coefficient. So here, it is indicated that the predicted stock index price ng ating inputted data from interest rate and unemployment rate is 1,422.86. And that's in the presentation.